Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Live slow internet warning. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you easy fixes that works on any network. Step 1. Check your network speed. First, make sure your internet is actually fast. Tango Live needs a stable speed, not just a strong signal. If your speed drops while streaming, you will see the warning. Step 2. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn off Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data, or do the opposite. Sometimes one network is unstable even if it looks connected. Step 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. First, swipe down the control center, then enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection instantly. Step 4. Close background apps. Close all background apps. Apps using data in the background can slow down Tango Live. Step 5. Reset network settings. First, go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then tap on reset, then choose reset network settings. This clears network errors that cause slow internet warnings. Don't worry, it won't delete your data. Step 6. Update iOS and Tango Live. First, open settings, then general, then software update. Install any available updates and update Tango Live as well. Older version can cause network compatibility issue. Step 7. Change streaming location. If you are live, move to an area with fewer user or less interference. Crowded networks, slow streaming quality. Those fixes solve the Tango Live slow internet warning on any network, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.